Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English words. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a helpful little word, assistant. That's right, today's word is assistant, which is a noun that means a person who helps or aids. It's an incredibly useful word that you'll encounter in many contexts. Let's start by looking at how assistant is used in everyday language. For example, if you're in a classroom, the teacher might have a teaching assistant to help with tasks like grading papers or organizing activities. Or in an office, a personal assistant might manage schedules, answer calls, and ensure everything runs smoothly. There are some great synonyms for assistant that you can use to add variety to your vocabulary. Words like helper, aid, and supporter carry similar meanings. For instance, you might say, I hired a helper to organize my house, or the nurse's aide helped during the procedure. Each of these words gives slightly different nuances, but still highlights someone who assists. Now let's think about some antonyms, or words with opposite meanings, to deepen your understanding. Opposites of assistant include words like boss, manager, or leader, which describe people who are in charge rather than helping. For example, the manager assigned tasks to the team shows a contrast in roles compared to an assistant. In daily life, the word assistant is incredibly versatile. You might hear phrases like virtual assistant for someone who helps remotely with tasks like emails, or shop assistant for someone who helps customers in a store. In a casual conversation, you might say, I'm looking for an assistant to help me with my project, or the store assistant was really helpful in finding what I needed. To wrap things up, assistant is a wonderful word to describe someone who helps or supports in a variety of roles. Remember its synonyms like helper and aid, and its antonyms like boss and manager to expand your vocabulary. Thank you so much for joining me today on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and learn alongside us. Before you go, here's a fun challenge. Create your own sentence using the word assistant and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.